Traders, so it's Sunday, September 4th, 2022. My name's Clay. I'm running Forex Group. And in this video, we're going to go over the weekly outlook video. So tomorrow is Labor Day, so it's going to be pretty, I would imagine, more than likely, but you never know. Anything can happen in the markets always. That is the rule of thumb. You should always keep that as a rule of thumb. Anything can happen, but more than likely, it's going to be pretty chill. So that doesn't mean some low liquidity moves might happen. So, but be on the lookout for that. And our 209 Academy sale lifetime access to the VIP group ends tomorrow. So take advantage of that today so you don't miss out. Probably won't have another one of those till like Christmas or next year, right? So that's 4 months away. But hey, 4 months away and we got a new year, right? So you got to ask yourself, are you any closer? You knew I was going to say this. Are you any closer to your goals, where you want to be, than when I was doing these videos last year, right? And you may have been watching me. So, you know, now is the time. Now's the time to take control of your life, take control of your destiny, and learning how to trade is a way to do that. Learning a strategy, learning a system, taking it serious and just like going all in is like, it's game time right now, you know, with everything going on in the world. So getting funded, having a way that you can get capital for yourself and actually make something happen, you can do that right now. So getting into the markets, Euro Aussie, this is a great trade that we took on NFP Friday. So, you know, we had this big band of resistance right here, and price came up, and really I was a little false breakout. False breakout typically leads to a breakdown, which is what we're seeing here. And I was really looking at this, not so much, well, you can watch the video I posted on Friday. It wasn't so much looking for, you know, this isn't a momentum setup. It could be making one now, especially on the, maybe on the 2 hour or 4 hour, potentially. Pretty decent pullback though. Actually on the 4 hour, this looks like we're going lower, right? Which would be, I see this pattern a lot. Once you start to recognize patterns in the market, we break down below this 200 SMA here. Seeing it like this makes me wish, dang, I should have held on to that. But it's good to close out profits at the end of the week. So here we are on dollar CAD, same scenario, right? So, you know, we got a rally in risk to end the week with those fairly, nothing's too special with the numbers, but they weren't horrible, right? So they weren't horrible. So the market tried to make a move, but still finished lower, right? So this is NAS. We'll go to SPX, and this was a rally right off of the numbers, and then we still turned around and took out some stops and finished the week lower than where we were, right? So, you know, NU didn't quite get that move lower, but if you take a look at Euro USD, we closed the week below the parity line. So I think that's a pretty big deal, especially in terms of what could be in store for the dollar, right? We are in a textbook accumulation phase for anybody that's in a Wyckoff. Like that's what we're looking at, right? So this is a nice schematic here. So the question is do we continue and make a rally higher in terms of EU? Now, when we look at gold held above 1700 level. I think that's pretty significant, 1710. We closed the day at 1715, right? Or yeah, 1712. So now getting back to dollar CAD here, this was a great trade, right? A nice little sell-off and a pretty fast recovery though. Very quickly. I'm glad I took profits. I took profits right at this yellow support here, and we cleared out that wick. And then close back right into what looked kind of like, and looks kind of like a bullish pennant, right? So we're going to see how the market kicks off going into today, Labor Day, and then of course my favorite, turnaround Tuesday on Tuesday, right? That's the name, turnaround Tuesday. Now, if we look at dollar CAD here, or the dollar index, this was S&P, or not the S&P, the NFP, and we made a nice recovery there, right? We made a nice recovery. It looks like we were breaking down. This has all of the markings of a bear trap. How many traders, and we got short dollars, but we were able to take profits and get out of that trade. But a lot of people, I think, probably got short right here. Right? Lots and lots of people probably got short, started to hold. And now this could be bad going into, maybe something like this, thinking the dollar is going to break down. And it's looks to set up to resume the rally. So I would be on the lookout for a dollar rally potentially. UJ is just in Astro land. It's in outer space right now, for sure. So pound CAD. Pound is looking super bearish because of everything in terms of energy and what's going on in the UK and Europe and here in the United States. Energy prices are just getting ridiculous, electric bills and stuff like that. So it's getting crazy. Now is the time to take control of your destiny. I don't know like how many times I have to say that, but it's true. We have an opportunity here getting funded. This is a real opportunity where you can get paid trading, and you don't have to depend on the government. What are they trying to push us towards? Dependence, right? So so this is a way to take some power back, take some control of your life, but it takes some time to actually learn it and make it happen. So if you're a beginner, my VIP Academy is a great place to start, or maybe you're just new to us. That's a great way to get your foot in the door. Maybe you want to take some of my signals, click the link below, $200. And then of course, if you want to work with myself and my team in the accelerator, let us know. I talk about it all week long. So, I'll share that link below as well if you're interested. And let's make it happen, everybody. Let's have a great week. Peace.